Hello, myself Komal Davda from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Today start the new chapter File Management Organization of Data. In this chapter, we will discuss on move, copy data from one drive to another, move, copy data between storage devices, working with a multiple application, searching files and folders, understanding different file formats, searching file using wildcard character, sorting of files by type, name, size and date. Now first of all, what is a file? Any picture, document or presentations created on a computer is called a file. Every computer has a hard disk which can be divided into different partitions called the drivers. Now, to move or copy data from one drive to another drive, follow this step. First, double click on the computer icon on the desktop. Your screen is look like. Now select the F drive to view the content. Now select the folder. Now select the any file that you want to move. Select the file, then right click, then copy. Now from the left side, you can select any drive. Here I select the D drive. Now right click here and click on the paste button. See here your file is moved. Now I again explain all the steps to move, copy data from one drive to another. Step first, double click the computer icon on the desktop. Step 2, select the F drive. Step 3, select the file or folder to be moved or copied. Step 4, right click the file or folder and select cut and copy option from the menu. Step 5, select the drive you want to move, copy the file. Right click the blank area on the right and select paste from the shortcut menu that appear. Step 6, now the file will be moved or copied in this drive. Now to move, copy data between the storage devices. To move, copy a file folder from one device to another device, follow these steps. With the pen drive attached to the computer, double click the computer icon on the desktop. Now select the file or folder that you want to move or copy. Here I select the F drive. Now select the file. Right click. Then click on the copy. Now from the left side, select the pen drive option. Here I select on the E drive. Now right click here and click on the paste option. See here, your file is copied. Now I again explain the move copy data between storage devices. Step first. With the pen drive attached to the computer, double click the computer icon on the desktop. Step 2. Click the F drive. Step 3. Select the file or folder to be moved or copied. Step 4. Right click the file or folder and select cut and copy option. Step 5. Now click the pen drive on the left side. Right click the blank area and select the paste option. Step 6. Now the file will be moved to the pen drive. Now start the next topic, working with multiple application. We can work on more than one application at the same time. Say you can listen to music using the window media player while searching some information on the internet. To play a music file using the window media player, follow these steps. First, go to the start menu, then all program and open the window media player. Your screen is look like as shown in figure. Select and play the music file. Then minimize this window. Open any browser, say Internet Explorer, and search the information that you want. Now, next topic is searching file and folders. In Windows 7, you can search or file and folder from the start menu. To search file and folder, follow these steps. First, go to the start button. To open the start menu, first go to the start button. To open the start menu, type the search term in the search field at the bottom. A list of the search result appear as shown in figure. If you can see the file you wanted, double click to open it. Now, next is understanding different file formats. A different type of files can be stored in computer. Each file has its own extension. A file extension is a 3 or 4 letter identifier. Every file name is followed by a period, then the file extension. With this file extension, you can identify the type of the file. The example are, the Word document has a file extension .doc. For example, cover letter .docx. .doc is in older version. Now, the new version of the Word document are .docx. Excel file .xls or .xlsx. For example, result.xlsx. Image file has a file extension are .jpg, .gif, .png, .bmp, etc. For example, desert.jpg. The audio file have a extension .mp3, .wav, etc. The PowerPoint has a file extension .ppt or .pptx. For example, trees.pptx. The video file have a extension .mp4, .avi, etc. Now the next topic is searching file using wildcard character. A wildcard are a special symbol that can be used to search a file or folder whose exact name we do not know. There are two wildcards supported in the Windows search. First, asterisk and question mark. Now, using wildcard character asterisk. If you want to search for all the files created in PowerPoint, then type the search term as asterisk.pptx for image and have an extension .png, then use the search term image asterisk.png. If you want to search for all the files that may contain img in the file name and can have any extension, then use the search term asterisk img asterisk. If you want to search for all the files with the names starting with A and extension .jpg, then use the search term A *.jpg. See the image. In the image, so the searching using the wildcard character asterisk. Now using wildcard character question mark. The wildcard character can be used in place of single letter or a symbol in a search term. For example, IM question mark will get you words like image 11, image 12, etc. Suppose you are looking for a file and are not sure about the spelling, then substitute question mark for the character you don't know. If you want to search for the file that start with a chapter and end with a docx, then use the search term chapter .docx if you are sure that there is one of the character you are not sure about, or chapter .docx if you are unsure which three characters followed the word chapter. We can also combine wildcard character question mark and asterisk. For example, using image asterisk dot question mark. We can also use wildcard characters to search words. For example, O asterisk T asterisk, find the option other, etc. Now the next topic is sorting of files by type, name, size or date. There are many ways in which we can sort a file in Windows 7. To sort a file by type, name, size or date, follow the given step. Right-click the Start button. Now select on the Open Window Explorer. Select a drive from the left panel. Here I select the F drive. Now select any folder. Now right click the empty area on the right side of Here the sort by option, select on the sort by and select the desired option. Here I choose the date modified. File will be sorted according to our selection. See, all the files is sorted by the date modified. Now I again explain all the steps to perform the sorting of files by type, name, size or date. Step 1. Right click the Start button and select Open Window Explorer option. Step 2. Select a drive from the left panel. Step 3. Right click the empty area on the right side and choose the Sort by and select a desired option. Step 4. File will be sorted according to our selection. Now here our second chapter is complete. Thank you.